Good morning, welcome to Vlogmas week 2. This is my second vlog of this month. What is that? So today we are going to just go to lunch with a friend. I met this girl at a creator event that I was invited to at the Snap Bake Shop, and we've just been in touch. She's been seeing the way that I edit things, and so she just wants to hear some editing tips from me. So we're gonna go to, what is that restaurant? It's called, I forgot the name of the restaurant. I'll put it on the screen. I am having brain fog real bad today, but we're going to that restaurant at 12 o'clock, and then I'm gonna go get my toes done because I am currently getting maintenance done. I don't know why I waited last minute to get my nails done. Like, they look horrible. I'm getting them done tomorrow, but today I'm gonna go get my toes done, and then also I'm gonna go pick up some toiletries because I really want to try the Saltaire body wash and body lotion, and then I love their like shiny sparkly like body oil. So I think that would be really cool and cute for vacation. So I might have to go to Target, y'all, but don't judge me, okay? We're just getting a few toiletries there, nothing special, nothing extra, but I know that they sell Saltaire, and I don't think Walmart does. The other place that possibly does is Ulta, but I don't want to get all of my toiletries from Ulta. Like, I feel like I can get, you know, toothpaste, toothbrush, all of that from Target too. So I just want a one-stop shop. So don't judge me for shopping at Target, okay? Sorry. But yeah, that's how our day's going. I'm gonna hop in the shower and get ready for the day. Okay, so this is our OOTD of the day. I wanted to be really festive, and I'm just concerned, like, if I have tights on, anything, it's gonna be hard to get my toes done. So I just put these overalls on that are from Bloom Chic, and then I have this Old Navy turtleneck. I have my jewelry on. I have these brown boots because they match the reindeer in my overalls, and I need an overcoat. I do have this coat, like it's a trench, but it just feels so bulky and big. I don't know. I put it in the short form video, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna actually wear it. And then our scent of the day is our olfactory perfume that we made, and I named it 28 because I'm 28 and I couldn't think of anything else to name it. And we're gonna just spray this everywhere. I did my pressure points earlier, but oh, and if you're a big girl, then you know. So them thighs ain't rubbing together. I got this Mega Babe. Oh, this done crusted over. The other one I have does not do this. Like, look at this. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it is like rough, or I think I can still use it. Just put that between your thighs because, baby, them legs be rubbing together in every season. Winter, summer, fall. All right, we got some time. We're just gonna chill out, and I'm gonna text her and head over when it's closer to 12 o'clock. Okay, so I'm at the restaurant. I've been to the Addison location, but I've never been to the Frisco location. This is new. I think they were talking about this the last time that I went to their restaurant in Addison with a friend. We actually got catering from them for one of our Friendsgiving or our anniversary party, one of those. But anyway, I'm excited. It looks like they upgraded. They in a bougie area. Like, I think this is behind the Medical City Frisco Hospital or whatever. But my stomach is growling. I'll try to introduce my friend if I don't get too nervous, because I be getting nervous, like, to vlog and stuff. So we shall see. I'm gonna text her and say that I'm here. I'm excited. I'm so freaking hungry. Yeah.
It is hot off the press. Maybe put the scratch on it. Yeah. It's good. You don't need no hot sauce on it. Let's try this. Okay, so how you be back in a whole month?
So I usually do it like a month before. So I got January planned. Okay, y'all, I just came from the lunch with a friend and she brought me a gift, so I'm gonna open it on camera. So she got me some protein popcorn, white cheddar, 7 grams of protein. I'm so excited about this. Like, I love popcorn. How did you know? She got me, ooh, a World Spring cup. Wow, soak in mineral perfection, World Springs. I need a new cup. I be trying to drink water. This is good for the gym because I'm gonna try to go to the gym in January. Ooh, tea. Ooh, from Trader Joe's. It's a Harvest Blend herbal tea, caffeine free. How you know I'm caffeine sensitive? Ooh, some eyelash, girl. Oh. I think she left her debit card in this. I'm gonna have to meet up with her. She left her debit card. Let's see. Skin food from Walita. A hand cream. I need that real bad. Okay, yeah, she left her card in this. But these some 3D faux link lashes. Girl, I have to call her before she go all the way to Anna. What the heck? It was in this container. I gotta call her ASAP. What the actual heck? But yeah, I'm here to get my toes done. Let me call her real quick because, girl, you left your card in my gift. And I don't want nothing to do with nobody money. Guess I'm at Target. Good morning. It's another day. Today we are getting our nails done and then we're going to go get sugared. The nail appointment is at 9:30 and the sugaring is at 11:30. So hopefully I can make it. And then we're going to go home and pack because I have not packed and it's 2 more days until my trip. So this is a new nail girl. I'm excited because these potentially can be my engagement nails. So I am getting something like a white design and I sent her 2 different inspo pics. So we'll see what kind of magic she does. She did say I could record, so hopefully she still agrees on that. This is at her house, however, so I'm not going to try to get too much of her business, but I am gonna like record her doing my nails and stuff. So I'll include some of those clips and we'll be back to see how these nails turn out. I hope they do turn out good because I got these nails done literally the next day. It was already messing up. So yeah, this set was really bad and I've had it for a very long time. So hopefully this next set I get lasts me at least a month or 2. Okay, y'all, so I'm getting my nails done today and I get to the girl and she's like, you have nails on? You have to go to a nail shop and get them soaked off. And she was like, and you have to hurry up because my next appointment is 11:30. And I'm just like, Should I just go somewhere else at this point? I am currently at a nail shop. And I'm about to go get them soaked off, hopefully. But then also, she's doing a $60 deal. So I can get these soaked off for, I don't know how much. Hopefully like $20. And then I still go to her, and that's less than the nail shop. Maybe I can get my nails done at the nail shop for like 70. I don't know. It's just like irritating me. Would you go get them soaked off and go back? Okay, I'm gonna try to make this short and sweet. Basically, I did go get them soaked off. It ended up costing me $10. While I was getting them soaked off, she was messaging me like, I don't like surprises. You're messing up my schedule. I pushed my other appointment back, but just let me know, it's up to you. And I was like, yeah, I'm so sorry. I didn't see, this in the policy. And so she sent me a screenshot, and she was like, it's literally right here, love. And I was like, sorry, I didn't see it. So that was my fault. But then when I went back, she was like, hey. So whatever. Got my nails done. Easy peasy. She did them pretty quick. It looked like she could do them in her sleep. They look amazing. They look great. They're shaped perfectly. I'll share a video about the appointment and reveal them on, I think, the 12th. But that's how it went. I spent a total of like $75. Okay, so I've been home for a while. I went to go get a wax, and y'all saw the clips from my nail appointment. Here are my nails. They are so cute. She did a great job, even with all the drama. I don't think I'm gonna be able to go back though, because on her booking site, she was saying something about if your nails are infected, and she was basically telling me that I have fungus on my nail, and I was like, I don't think so, because I did have yellow polish on on one of the fingers on each hand. And she was like, no, I'm pretty sure that's fungus. She was like, I'm gonna finish it right now, but just know I would normally not work on this. And I'm like, okay, whatever. I'm not coming back. I get it. Thank you for these. They look really good. And if I get engaged, this is a really cute nail set. On my little ring finger, a ring, that would be cute. So I did get some stuff from Amazon. I said in a previous vlog that I am going on a cruise. So let's unbox these must-have items people say you need for a cruise. Let me go get it from my front of my door. I think they just delivered it. It's currently almost 9 o'clock. I need to actually get ready for bed because I have to go to work tomorrow. Okay, sorry y'all, my background is horrible. Okay, so this is the stuff from Amazon I bought this morning. I was looking, I'm trying to put my hair up because it's just so much, especially with this like ribbon, or I flipped y'all, especially with this ribbon. It keeps getting caught in my braids, so I'm trying to just pull it back. Hold on. Okay, so I was looking. I didn't know that you can join groups for your cruises. Like people who are going on the cruise with you, they make Facebook groups. And so I joined one this morning, and I just like read their list of things that they're bringing or they think you should bring. And then I also looked on TikTok to see. I actually have no more room in my suitcase for any of this stuff. So I'm going to take a backpack. Oh man, I'm going to have to take this out of the box because this box is huge. I cannot put this in my backpack. But it's like a little foldable fan because they said it does get hot in the rooms. And it doesn't matter if it's winter, I always have a fan on. And then I got this little portable fan. My social media manager, my old one, she did buy me one of these fans before, but I lost it somewhere. But it goes so high because I remember going to Cozumel when we went in the summertime, and they were saying how that was their winter. So I can't even imagine what December is. I mean, I think it's gonna be like 80s, but it might still be hot. So I'm gonna charge it. Well, I don't actually need to charge it. I'm gonna just put this because we leave after tomorrow, Thursday. So tomorrow's Wednesday, Thursday, so 2 more days. So I'm gonna just put this in my backpack. I need to figure out how to put this strap on. Okay, or I'll give it to my boyfriend to figure out. And then I'm gonna take this out of the box so that it can fit in my backpack. Okay, we have another package. I have a lot of stuff in here. I got like an outlet because they said that the cruise rooms don't have a lot of, wow, we're just going for 4 days and I have all this stuff. But they were saying they don't have a lot of outlets, and I'm still going to try to like record for you guys and stuff. And I need to, you know, my boyfriend's going to be able to plug up his phone. I'm going to plug up my phone, like any of my fans if it goes dead. Even if I bring a light, I'm going to need this. And then I got some motion sickness bands. I did not have any motion sickness issues on the cruise, but my boyfriend might, so I bought it for him. And then I got some wrinkle releaser spray. Some people say it works, some people say it don't, but all of my stuff is like in cubes, so I might need it. My stuff might be wrinkled. I did hear that there's an ironing room, so wow, we have a lot of stuff in here. What is going on? I'm just like all over the place. It's so hard to open things with my nails. Oh, I think this is a hat. Oh no, this is a bag. This is a beach bag. I don't know how I'm gonna get that out without messing up my nails. I don't know how I'm gonna go to work tomorrow, honestly, because I have to punch out pills and stuff and do a lot with my fingers. Oh, and then I got some more chargers because my charger, it hasn't been working good. So these are fast charging. So I'm gonna put that in a bag. And then my boyfriend's gonna be like, how did you get all this stuff? Because you say you ain't got no money. What is this? I forgot. Oh, this is our lanterns, because people said to get some lanterns to put your tags on. So I got some. I got the colorful ones because they were the only ones that we're going to get here on time. And then I got some reusable straws because they said that they have like disintegrating straws, and that's just disgusting to me. So that's all I got for the cruise. These are must-have items. I'm pretty sure I wasted some of my money, but if I don't use it, I'm just gonna send it back. Especially this, they said it's useless, but we'll see. All right, well, this is the end of this vlog. The next vlog will hopefully be me on the cruise. But remember to love yourself fiercely, and I'll see y'all week 3 of Vlogmas. Bye.